Hi, my name is Brent Atwater and I'm an animal communicator. I look at, talk with, and see dead pets. And I created Pet Loss Radio and Pet Loss TV to help heal your heart. We hope that you'll take the time to go down and look at the archives and all the shows that we've done and find things that will help you. We also would like you to go to our Pet Loss Radio, and I think you'll find podcasts over there 24/7 that you can listen to that will get you through this horrific time. Now, what we're going to talk about today is Rainbow Bridge and the poem Rainbow Bridge. Well, Rainbow Bridge is a place, think of it as a suburb in heaven, that was named by humans as a part of heaven or a subdivision of heaven. And the Rainbow Bridge poem was written back in the 1800s, and it is only half the story for those of us who believe that pets return. Now, we have a Return from Rainbow Bridge poem for cats, dogs, horses, shelter pets, foster pets, and we invite you to go to my website, www.brentatwater.com, and download your poem because we'd like to share that with you if you believe in your pet's never-ending love. And it's about a pet returning because animals do and can reincarnate, and we believe that it gives hope to those who would like to think that their soulmate pet is going to be a part of their life forever. But a pet only reincarnates if it is part of your learning journey, and only 30 to 40% of pets do in fact return. So if you'd like a copy of our belief in never-ending love and continuous and ongoing love from your pet, which is Return from Rainbow Bridge, you'll see my website below. Go down and download a copy of the poem for yourself, and know that Rainbow Bridge is only half the story, because some pets, according to a 6,000 plus odd year old tradition of reincarnation, do return, and we hope that you have a comeback kid. Thanks for staying. Stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week with some of our how-to videos on animal communication and more pet loss answers for your questions. Bye-bye.